Hello. Question 27. As shown in the figure, a 2-volt supply switch and 2 ohm resistor, 5 Henry inductor are connected in series. SW switch closed at time t equals 0 second. Calculate the rate of change of current through the inductor at time t equal to 0.1 second after the switch is closed. Solution. When switch SW closed at time t equal to 0 second, time constant equal to L upon R equal to 5 upon 2 equal to 2.5 second, and steady state current Is equal to V upon R equal to 2 upon 2 equal to 1 ampere. The formula for current through inductor ILT equal to Is multiplied by under the bracket 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon time constant t. We put the value of Is and time constant, so ILT equal to 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon 2.5. Differentiation of ILT with respect to t equal to differentiation of 1 and differentiation of e raised to power minus t upon 2.5. This equal to 0 minus under bracket minus 1 upon 2.5 e raised to power minus t upon 2.5 at time t equal to 0.1 second. Di differentiation of ILT with respect to time t equal to 0.4 multiplied by e raised to power minus 0.1 upon 2.5. This equal to 0.3843 ampere per second. Okay, thank you.